Hey there, Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com, and we got a great question about why do we not insulate the subfloor after we encapsulate a crawl space? Stay tuned. Okay, just to be clear, you can insulate the subfloor of an encapsulated crawl space, but we find that the return on your investment after paying for fiberglass or rock wool insulation in the subfloor simply is not worth it. Plus, any type of insulation in the subfloor can hide plumbing leaks and be a pest bed for snakes and rodents and all that sort of thing, all right? Oak Ridge National Laboratories here locally in Tennessee did research and found that insulating the walls of an encapsulated crawl space is more efficient and less expensive than insulating the subfloor. So that's why we choose to do the walls instead of the subfloor. Plus, if you do get a plumbing leak and the insulation gets wet that's in the subfloor, it's ruined. I mean, even if you have an encapsulated crawl space. Now, it may just be a piece or it could be the entire kitchen floor, but you got to remove all of that insulation and put it back. If our foam board gets wet, it's designed to get wet. It's designed to touch the ground. It's termite resistant. It can get wet over and over and over. The crawl space can flood. You can have water coming in the foundation walls, hitting the foam board, going down into the trench and sump pump. You don't have to replace it. So that's why we choose to do a foundation wall with our termite resistant foam board versus doing subfloor insulation. Great question. My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day. Oh, and guess what? We relaunched our DIY page. We made it easier for you to find products and order, and everything is on our new DIY page. I'm going to put a link down below for you. I hope you check it out. Let me know if you have any suggestions on our DIY page. Thank you and hope you make it a blessed day. See you later.